And we're back. It's gonna be another short video again. Just want to see if they painted the fence black. Still surprised there's no graffiti on it. This bit's black. Yes, so they did paint it. So this morning all the way up here was the brown wood, now it's all black. Spray painted black. Black and black. Again, every time I say that, it sounds like an AC/DC song. So keep going up here. Black as well now. It's cool. Yeah. Again, black. Spray painted black. I guess spray painting will cut a lot of time down. Imagine painting this by hand with a paintbrush. Will take quite some time, but all black. The doorbell black as well. Yep, black as well. Black and green. Wondering why they painted it black. And they're going to put any hazard strips down. And started to get the fence up around inside the De La Salle College. So yesterday when I was speaking to my wife, she said the reason why they're putting the wooden fence up is to stop the dust and noise polluting around the surrounding areas. You may ask, how does my wife know? She actually worked at the Children's Centre, which is a part of the Banks Centre Faith. Pretty much every state in New South Wales has a Children's Centre, which is basically a childcare centre. So I probably just got all the way up to Chapel Road filming. Here comes my beautiful wife. There she is.